Yeah, I love your show. Laugh my ass off all the time. But I have a little idea. Carry around some sound effects. Then when people start complaining and whining, you have like a dog barking, farts, train horns, crying, et cetera, et cetera. So whenever they start getting in, you take the sound effects on them, drown them out, imitate what they're doing, make them feel stupid, give a little excitement to the thing. But thanks a lot. Appreciate it. And you made my day. Tim Ward, Wild Man, New Orleans, Louisiana. Bye-bye.